Top trending Alexa Ilacad and KD Estrada dan dahil dito sa IG story ni KD and Alexa. Today reminded me of her IG story shared 2 years ago na sinasabi ni Alexa, happy lang ako kasi nandyan si KD, talagang ano siya sa akin, blessing talaga. Sagot naman ni KD, Lex, kahit anong mangyayari, nandito ako, na emotional naman si KD habang ito ay nagsasalita. Ang unang mensahe naman ni Alexa 2 years ago, dito po ay, one day you will meet this person and this incredible human who will treat you with so much love and respect that you won't know what to do it with it. And one day, a beautiful person with a soft eyes will gaze of you steadily and you will forget all the reasons why. So napakahaba ng kanyang mensahe dito sa post niya 2 years ago, remind lang and one day. Samantala, kanina, again, nag-post si Alexa na sinasabi niya, one day and when you least expect it and you are going to crush into someone who is going to be so soft and gentle with your heart, and you are going to be glad to keep it open, and you are going to be glad that you continue to fly. I'm going to be glad that you continue and fight for it, that you choose to believe and deserve and more. And guys, walang susoko dito po sa post ng ABS-CBN Entertainment. Here's the Royalty Awards vote updates as of March 5, 2024, 6 p.m. Update kanina, KD and Alexa are still on top as your prom king and queen. So, ayan, si Matthew and Angie are currently ranked first and royal prince and princess. Guys, still top Alexa and KD, sana tuloy-tuloy lang. Huwag sana magsawa para bumuto sa kanila dahil malapit na nga po ang prom king and queen Alexa. So, pumapangalawa dito si Francine and Seth, BGYO and Vivory, si Cyril and then si Brent, si Andy Abaya. So, ayan po. Tuloy-tuloy lang guys para bawi dahil last year wala nga po sila.